this simple Filipino dessert, we only need coconut milk and brown sugar. Okay? I'm going to show you the cooked purple yam or the ube, and it is so purplish. So I don't know what's another term for very purple, or it's very deep, vibrant violet color. Okay, so I'm gonna do a lot of smashing when the coconut milk is ready, when it becomes caramelized and thick, and then we can start our Filipino dessert, ube. Brown sugar. Okay, so I'm just gonna use, it depends on the sweetness or the sweetness of your dessert. So it's a dessert, so it should be sweet. I'm gonna put 1 cup. Maybe I'll do 1.5 cup. Yeah, about 2 cups. Okay, let's just add some more later. If you added more sweetness on our dessert, we can add some more brown sugar. And then let's continue to stir this one until it thickens. Use now the coconut milk and the brown sugar. I think it's time to put our ube. This is so heavy. I just don't want to spill. Okay, there you go. And then we're gonna start smashing it. Okay. All right. Start smashing it. Smash, smash, smash. Okay. I already cooked this ube, but it looks like it's still hard. Alright. Just gonna smash this one. So you really need to have strong arms for this. Right, guys. So really need cooked. Yep. Blender this one, guys, but for now I don't have time to blender this. So I'm just gonna cook this until soft and keep on smashing and stirring until everything is cooked. Okay, so here we go. Let's stir this again. Time to try the Ube Halaya, and I like to top it with cheese. Okay. All right, let's try it. Mm.